Techno update. Subscribe now.
Coolpad Max Review. Coolpad positions Max as a flagship smartphone. Speaking of flagship smartphone, it definitely should have a good design. Coolpad Max was included in the smartphone category WA design. When holding it, you will feel the body. Coolpad Max is very solid and sturdy. Its weight of 170 grams also adds a solid impression. To give the impression of premium, Coolpad offers Max in two color choices, gold and rose gold. This is the exclusive feature offered by Coolpad Max and Max Lite. This feature can split up two storage, one for your usual account, one for a more personal or private account. As a result, you seem to have two smartphones. To support the dual space feature, Coolpad also provides extra security with encryption system. Your data, especially those in your second account, will be protected with this encryption system. This second account also cannot be accessed by anyone because it can also be protected with fingerprint. Again, in order to support dual space, Coolpad Max is equipped with RAM and jumbo storage. RAM capacity is 4 GB, while its storage capacity is 64 GB. So, you can move from first account to second account quickly and not afraid to run out of storage quickly. We greatly appreciate the Cool Manager application that is included by Coolpad. This all-in-one application has many functions, ranging from optimizing RAM and storage, protecting applications with passwords, antivirus fungi, to moving applications to microSD. Coolpad does not take the stage of pinning various sensors into Coolpad Max. This smartphone has accelerometer sensor, ambient light, fingerprint, and gyroscope. Its fingerprint sensor can also work faster 0.3 seconds and can be used to shoot, shutter button. 13MP main camera on Coolpad Max has a complete mode. What is clear, you can take pictures with manual mode like a DSLR camera. Shutter speed camera is not too fast, but paid off with the picture is quite detailed, especially when viewed through a PC or notebook. If you want to get sharper photos, you can use pic zoom mode. The process of shooting using pic zoom mode will be longer because the results will look more detailed than using regular mode. Grill or speaker. Coolpad Max is located at the bottom. These speakers have a higher volume of sound than the speaker volume of Android smartphones in general. Even when watching YouTube or playing games alone in the room, the volume will feel too tight if set to the maximum. Conclusion. Coolpad Max comes with a middle-class octa-core processor as well as storage and jumbo RAM plus exclusive dual-space features. This can be a solution for those of you who need two smartphones but feel bothered to use them physically.